Think about it for a second. How many different tools do you normally use just to create one AI music video? Usually, you generate the music in one platform, write prompts somewhere else, build images in another tool, generate videos somewhere else, and finally, edit everything together. It works, but it's a slow workflow that constantly forces you to switch between different applications. So today, I wanted to see if Tunee's new music video agent mode could simplify the entire process. Instead of focusing only on AI music generation, the goal of this video is to test whether Tunee can take you from a simple idea all the way to a finished music video inside one workspace. As always, I tested everything myself before making this video. You'll find a link to Tunee in the description. Before we begin, one thing worth mentioning is the pricing. New users receive free credits without adding a credit card. Those free credits are enough to generate either one 10-second Dance 2.0 music video or around 10 songs, making it easy to fully experience the platform before spending anything. On top of that, Tunee gives you another 100 free credits every day you log in, so you can keep experimenting with new ideas over time. Once inside the platform, the first thing I noticed was how clean the interface is. Everything happens inside a single chat, so instead of jumping between different menus, you simply describe what you want in natural language, and Tunee guides you through the process. Whether you're changing your idea, adding more details, or trying something completely different, everything stays inside the same conversation. Besides music video generation, there's also a character section where you can create your own singer, customize an existing character, or even upload a reference image for the AI to follow. Behind the scenes, Tunee is powered by the world's top AI models, including technologies like Dance 2.0, GPT Image, Kling, Dream, One, and more. Together, they deliver cinematic level quality while automatically selecting the best model for each stage of music, image, and video generation. If you prefer, you can also manually choose which model to use yourself. For this test, I intentionally kept things as simple as possible. Instead of writing a detailed prompt, I only typed "make a cinematic music video for a song, make it emotional, modern, and viral." The reason I chose such a simple prompt is because that's where an AI agent should prove its value. If it can take a vague idea and turn it into a complete production, that's far more impressive than relying on an extremely detailed prompt. After entering the request, Tunee asked a few questions to understand exactly what I wanted. Since I didn't already have a song, I let it generate one for me. The music generation itself was fast, and after listening to a few options, I simply picked the one that best matched the cinematic style I wanted. Now the interesting part begins. Instead of immediately generating a video, I asked Tunee which song would work best for a story-driven music video. This is where it starts feeling less like a generator and more like a creative assistant. It can compare different outputs, recommend visual directions, suggest storytelling ideas, and even explain which approach would fit the music better. Once I selected the song, I could simply mention it inside the chat and decide what I wanted to do next. I could edit the lyrics, replace the cover art, improve the mix, and apply some smart mastering, or move directly into creating the music video. What I really liked is that every version stays inside the same workspace. Your songs, lyrics, characters, ideas, edits, and future videos all remain connected. So instead of starting over every time, you simply continue building on the same project. Then it was finally time to see how Tunee handles the actual music video generation. Then I mentioned the song and asked Tunee to create a cinematic music video for it. From there, the platform moved into the planning stage instead of jumping straight to generation. First, it asked which part of the song I wanted to use, and I selected the 15-second chorus. It can instantly generate full-length music videos up to 6 minutes long, but for this test, I wanted to focus on a short cinematic sequence. Next, Tunee presented 3 different creative directions. The first was concept-driven, where the visuals focus on atmosphere and artistic imagery. The second was story-driven, which builds a short narrative around the music. The third was lip-sync, where the singer performs directly to the camera. Before creating anything, Tunee analyzed the song itself. It looked at the rhythm, BPM, energy, structure, transitions, and beat drops, then used that information to synchronize the visuals with the music. Instead of placing random clips over a soundtrack, the video is built around the music's pacing through its beat sync system, which makes the final result feel much more natural. I decided to choose the concept-driven option because I thought it would be the toughest test. Rather than generating the video immediately, Tunee first created a complete production plan. It showed me the overall concept, visual style, scene descriptions, and character setup before spending any credits. That gives you the chance to review the direction and make changes before rendering the final video. It even asked one final question: should it generate the video right away or first create preview frames for every shot so I could review the composition and lighting? I really like this approach because it gives you much more control over the creative process and helps avoid wasting credits if something doesn't look right. For this review, I chose to generate the full video so we could see exactly what the platform could do with minimal input. After the render finished, I exported the result. Considering how little guidance I gave it, the result honestly came together surprisingly well. The visuals matched the mood of the music, the pacing felt natural, and the scenes flowed together much better than I expected. Of course, the workflow doesn't end there. If you're not happy with a particular scene, you can continue refining the project inside the video editor. You can replace individual shots, change the character, modify the visual style, improve synchronization, or update the lyrics and storyboard without rebuilding everything from scratch. Since the entire project stays inside the same workspace, making revisions feel much more faster and than restarting in multiple tools. In the end, what impressed me most wasn't just the quality of the final video.
We couldn't see the cracks across the drywall. We called it shatterproof.
It was the workflow itself. Starting with one simple idea, Tunee guided me through song creation, planning, story development, storyboard generation, and finally, the music video, all inside a single conversation. If you already create music with another platform, including Suno, you can simply bring your existing songs into Tunee and use it to build cinematic music videos around them. That makes it less of a replacement and more of a powerful companion for the video creation side of the workflow. I think Tunee is especially useful for creators who don't want to jump between multiple AI tools, don't enjoy writing complicated prompts, or simply want a faster way to turn music into polished videos. It's also a great fit for virtual singers, AI influencers, and anyone creating AI-powered music content who wants everything inside one workflow. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description. Start with the free credits, test the workflow, and see how it fits your own creative process. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.